how you can download apps without your Apple ID password. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your settings. After you open your settings, scroll down till you find screen time. Open screen time and scroll down again. There you will see restrictions. Go to restrictions. Make sure that you turn on content and privacy restrictions. After you do that, go to iTunes and App Store. Now after you do that, make sure that you select don't require under require password, and after you do so, you'll need to go back to your settings again. After you're there, go to your Apple ID settings, and after you open up your Apple ID settings, go down and you will see the option called media and purchases. Tap on it and there you will get an option called password settings. Go to password settings, and after you're there, you will see the option through which you will just need to disable the requirement of password. After you do that, you will be able to download and install apps without Apple ID on your mobile phone. So yeah, that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.